Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laquavia. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today. So what I'm doing today is a really simple Valentine's Day inspired tutorial. Disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist at all, just a lover of makeup. So this is really amateur, but if you like it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, so first I'm starting with my Fenty Pro Filter Matte Primer. Smells really good. In the shade 420 in the foundation from Fenty. I'll put that all over my face. I like to put it on my hand first and then kind of dot it on my skin. And with my foundation brush, blending brush, I'm going to spray a little bit of the Badasceau facial spray and then just start kind of blending that in. I like to do one thin layer of foundation and then color correct the darkness that's on my skin, just so it can be a little more smooth and even. Okay, now the other side. My face, and I don't like to put foundation on my neck, so. And to color correct, I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I'm going to use this orange shade here to correct under my eyes, around my mouth, and a little bit around my nose. So. I like to put it anywhere I see any little bit of darkness. I want to just get that evened out with the corrector and then putting the final layer of foundation on top. I like to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I went with a sponge I got from Real Techniques and the Badasceau spray. Just want to get it damp and then blend. And to contour, I'm going to go back with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit and with the color, this color right here. It's called, what is this? Espresso. And contour my face. kind of hard to blend, so you have to kind of drag it with this one, but I like the color. My nose with that same brush I was using to contour, just use the remaining amount that's on here and just do a little bit. Okay. And to set, I like to use the Set It Don't Fret It setting powder from NYX in the medium dark color. And then just kind of set over where I put that highlight. Honestly, my skin is dry because it's kind of cold here, so I really don't need to set, but never know. I'm just kind of, I feel like I got a defect. It's so hard to, I have to shake it to get it to come up. Then here, put a little. Why not? Go ahead and do my eyebrows with the spoolie. Just kind of shape them. Start doing this. I'm using the NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil in the color black. I usually like to do brown because sometimes black can be kind of harsh, but they were out, so. And then I'm going to use the LA Girl concealer to just kind of clean it up a little bit before I put the gel on top. Just blending it in with this brush. Okay, then just put the brow gel on top. Alright, and that's set. Then I'll be back with the other eyebrow done. Okay, eyebrows are now done. So now we're going to be doing the eyeshadow look. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette to create, I'm thinking a cute little, maybe reddish pinkish kind of look. Yeah, that'd be cute. Alright. To start, I'm using the color Raw Sienna as my base and probably mixing in the burnt orange as well. And for my all over lid, I'm thinking the red ochre color, this color right here. And then with the Venetian red, this color right here, I'm going to kind of put it in my crease. And then with the antique bronze color, I'm going to put that over just for like a shimmery finish. Okay, and I'm going to clean this up a little bit off camera. I'm actually going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I don't like to use black because I feel like it can kind of be kind of harsh if you're not doing like the smoky look. So I'm going to be using this kind of violet color. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics and it's in the color Midnight. Okay, and for mascara, I like to use the CoverGirl, let's see, what is this called? CoverGirl Queen Collection Fall/Drama. Alright, I like to use this brand called My Lash. This is their Defined Faux Mink Lashes. I don't really need lashes, but they kind of make my current eyelashes, my natural eyelashes, look a little bit more fuller, because these do kind of blend in with mine. I'm going to be using these. I got these from TJ Maxx. Yep, $2.99. And I'll be back with the whole Glam on. Okay, lashes are on and my eyes are done. So now we're going to go ahead and kind of swipe away this setting powder. I'm going to use this brush from BH Cosmetics and just kind of wipe it away. Face with the Badasceau facial spray. That was so refreshing. Okay, and then for my blush, I'm going to use the Sephora blush palette, and I'm going to be using a mixture of these two colors right here. And with this color, I'm going to go ahead and start this one first and just kind of and then back with this color right here. And to highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the color Tourmaline, this one right here, to highlight. I'm just using a fan brush here. And then for my inner corner highlight, I want to use that same highlight. And then just kind of lip color, going to be using the NYX Lingerie in the color Embellishment. No, Exotic. And this is the finished look. Pretty easy peasy. Yeah, I think this is a great simple little look to do for Valentine's Day. It's pink, red will go with anything. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and give me any ideas that you want to see in future videos. And I do thank you guys so much for watching.
Chanel bag, copy, I don't fucking want it. I don't need that bullshit in your wallet. Whipping in the car with you, whipping in